What's up guys, Craig here, Fergie, JKU. Today we're gonna install, unbox, take a look at this new dash cam. It's a 360 dash cam. I'm pretty excited about it. It's not your typical rear view mirror. I have a different one for that. This is more for security. It's just cool. You can kind of spin around, see who's all in the car, do panoramic shots, off-roading. That's probably what I'll mainly be using this for. You can do a lot of stuff, but let's check it out. All right, what's in the box? It's packaged really well. Type S. Little brochure tells you what you could do. You could do 360 recording, the G sensor, which is kind of neat. It'll kick on if there's an accident or something like that. You can share your adventure. You connect it and you'll see the monitor on your phone. You got to download an app to go with it. And then the park and record. Park and record is more for if you're gonna hardline it to your battery so it's always on. I am probably not gonna do that, but we'll see. Maybe we will. I don't know. This is the camera. That's pretty cool. See, that's what it'll look like. So that's the 360. So that's the power supply. There's a micro SD card. Instructions. Security notice. You can put this on your window so it'd be like, you're being recorded. You and I both know we're not going to read through these instructions, but it's definitely good to keep so you have it for later. So this is a mount, so you can mount this somewhere on the Jeep, or if you got multiple vehicles you can mount, or you can just stick it and then you can just slide this in. So I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to mount it yet. I might just put it on the dash. I don't think I'm gonna put it high. I have stickers up there anyway, and that might be in the way, but maybe next to the hula girl. I don't know, we'll see. This is for the hardwire. It's kind of easy. I could hardwire it. I have an S-Pod switch, a VOS switch, so I could just connect it to through my fuse in there and then come up through, but this is the battery supply, so I'll use this for sure. So first thing I'm gonna do is download the app. If you're a cool person, you have an Android, download the app. Chapter 12, page 10. Here's a little QR code. Open up my camera, type S drive, install, boom. I'm gonna sign in with my Google account. Which product do you have? Do you have a backup cam? That's kind of what I was talking about before, that you would tie into the reverse. Do you have a parking sensor? Do you have a battery charger? I have a dash cam. Which dash cam? I have the 360 device. It's saying it can't connect, so let's go ahead and plug it in. All right, you can see I still got my app up here. I'm going to plug in the camera. Turn on the battery. You can see I have backup cam up there. So now I'm gonna plug in, take off the screen. Oh, look at that. I did not realize it's actually two different screens. So there's one right there, so that's the bottom one. And then the top one, oh wow. It's not actually two lenses, just that lens is just so round. Oh, I gotta admit, that's pretty rad. That is pretty rad. Look at that. Connect to device. Yes, let's connect. It says connected. Look at that. That is cool. You can pick a 3-in-1. So 3 different angles of the camera. Let's see what the 4-in-1 looks like. That's pretty rad. Could do normal 180, normal 360, VR. Oh wow, that is rad. That is cool. Fisheye, what does that look like? Huh, normal 360. So that's a panoramic shot. So that's everything that, and then a normal 180 is just the front of the camera. All right, so I'm gonna play with it, figure it out, figure out the best place to put it, take you guys for a drive. Thoughts on this camera. I like it. It's neat. I don't have to worry about it. I like how you can get in and just kind of look all around. The easiest way for me to download this to my computer so I could actually edit some video is with the micro SD card. I have a little card reader. I'll show you that. But that's probably the easiest way I was able to do it. I did download it to the phone, but I couldn't really figure where it was on the phone. So I still need to play around with it. But it's neat technology. I might actually move it more in the middle to the back so that I can keep an eye on my dogs during the trails or something like that. I haven't decided if I'm going to hardwire it yet. I think I might and just put it on on my Boss switch, but definitely check them out. If you have questions, just comment. Thanks, guys.